Example 2. Find the LCM and HCF of 6 and 20 by prime factorization method. For finding HCF, first we have to prime factorize 6 and 20. Prime factorization of 6 is equal to 2 into 3. Prime factorization of 20 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5, that is 2 square into 5. Next, we have to identify the common prime factors present in the given numbers. The common factor present in both 6 and 20 is 2. Next, we have to select the lowest power of 2. Here, the lowest power of 2 is 1. So, there is no common prime other than 2. So, HCF is equal to 2 power 1, that is 2. Therefore, HCF of 6 and 20 is equal to 2. For finding LCM of 6 and 20, we have done the prime factorization of 6 and 20. We have to identify all the prime factors present in 6 and 20. Prime factors present in 6 and 20 are 2, 3 and 5. Next, we have to select the highest powers of these prime factors. The highest power of 2 is here 2. Then highest power of 3 is 1. And highest power of 5 is here 1. Then next we have to multiply these selected primes. So the LCM of 6 and 20 is 2 square into 3 into 5, which is equal to 4 into 3 into 5, that is equal to 12 into 5, that is 60. So LCM of 6 and 20 is 60. We got HCF of 6 and 20 is equal to 2 and LCM of 6 and 20 is equal to 60. Then HCF of 6 and 20 into LCM of 6 and 20, that is equal to, here HCF of 6 and 20 is 2 into LCM of 6 and 20 is 60, which is equal to 120. What is the product of 6 and 20? That is equal to 120. So, by comparing 1 and 2, we will get HCF of 6 and 20 into LCM of 6 and 20 is equal to 6 into 20. Generally, for any positive integers a and b, HCF into LCM is equal to the product of that two numbers a and b. Example 3. Find HCF of 96 and 404 by prime factorization method. Hence, find their LCM. Prime factorization of 96 is equal to 2 power 5 into 3. Prime factorization of 404 is equal to 2 square into 101. For finding HCF, we have to identify the common prime. Here the common prime is 2. Then we have to select the lowest power of 2. So 2 square is the HCF of 96 and 404. Therefore, HCF of 96 and 404 is 2 square, that is 4. After finding this HCF, we have to find the LCM of these numbers. We know that for any positive integers a and b, HCF into LCM is equal to a into b. LCM is equal to a into b by HCF. Therefore, LCM of 96, 404 is equal to 96 into 404 divided by, here the HCF we got 4, which is equal to 38,784 divided by 4, which is equal to 9,696. So the LCM of 96 and 404 is equal to 9,696. Prime factorization of 6 is equal to 2 into 3. Prime factorization of 72 is equal to 2 cube into 3 square. Prime factorization of 120 is equal to 2 cube into 3 into 5. For finding HCF, we have to identify the common primes. Here the common primes are 2 and 3. Then we have to select the lowest powers of 2 and 3. In the prime factorization of 6, the power of 2 is 1. In 72, the power of 2 is 3. In 120, the power of 2 is 3. So, among this, the lowest power is 1. So, we have to select the lowest power. So, the power of 2 is 1. Lowest power of 3 is 1 here. Then, we have to multiply. So, HCF of 6, 72 and 120 is equal to 2 into 3, that is 6. Next, we have to find the LCM of 6, 72 and 120. For this, we have to identify all the prime factors in the given numbers. So, here the prime factors are 2, 3 and 5. Then next we have to select the highest power of 2, 3 and 5. Here the highest power of 2 is 3. Then highest power of 3 is 2. Highest power of 5 is 1. Then multiply to find the LCM. So LCM of 6, 72 and 120 is equal to 2 cube into 3 square into 5, which is equal to 8 into 3 square is 9 into 5 is equal to 72 into 5, which is equal to 360. Therefore, LCM of 6, 72 and 120 is equal to 360. HCF of 6, 72, 120 into LCM of 6, 72, 120 is equal to 6 into 360 is equal to 2160. Product of 6, 72 and 120 is equal to 51,840. So from this we can observe that for the positive integers 6, 72 and 120, HCF into LCM not equal to 6 into 72 into 120. Product of three numbers not equal to the product of their HCF and LCM. Generally, for any three positive integers a, b and c, HCF into LCM not equal to a into b into c. This is a question for you. Find HCF and LCM of 45 and 60 using prime factorization. Drop your answers in the comments. I will be checking. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more math lessons. In the next video, we will come with word problems on LCM and HCF. So stay tuned.